This is Clever Charlie here. This is National 5 Maths exam paper for 2017. And this is paper 1, the non-calculator paper. And just now we're going to look at question 2 of this paper and how to answer it. It's worth 2 marks, and I'm going to read the question out. 2 marks there. The number of calls received by the police was recorded over 10 days. The results are shown below, and here are 10 numbers, as you can see, in order. Okay, we have 198, 216, 218, 230, 232, 247, 248, 250, 265 and 267. Okay, we want to find the semi-interquartile range of those numbers. Okay, so there's a formula in which we always use to work out the semi-interquartile range. Okay, and I'll write it here. We use that. Okay, semi-interquartile range is calculated by finding the third quartile, which is the upper quartile. I'll show you about that in a second. We subtract the first quartile, which is the lower quartile. We'll show you that later on what that is. You should probably know, and you divide that by 2. Do not get this mixed up with the interquartile range. That is where you leave out the dividing by 2 part and you just do quartiles 3 minus quartile 1. Notice this is the semi-interquartile range, and if you see that, you know you have to divide by 2, okay? So but now you should know what lower quartile, median and upper quartile are. Median is quartile 2, okay? So here we have over 10 days. I'm going to show you how to find out the median, just in case this is useful, although it isn't that useful for this question here, okay? So there are 10 values here. The median is the value bang in the middle. Okay? So out of these numbers, that would appear right in the middle. Okay, so we'll find out exactly where the middle of this is. Okay, so it goes here, as there are 5 values on this side and 5 values on this side. So we'll put up here quartile 2, which is a reference to the median, okay? So the median is halfway between there, okay? So quartile 2 is the midway point, as you could think of it as between these two values here, okay? It's 232 plus 247, and that is divided by 2, okay? So 232 and 247, mind this is a non-calculator paper, so we can't use a calculator, but we should fairly easily work out that the answer to that is 479. Okay, so we'll write that down here, 479, and we'll divide that by 2. So 479 divided by 2 equals 239.5. So we've got 239 and a half is our median. Note the question doesn't ask for this, although I just generally write this down so we know what we're doing. Okay, so here we have quartile 2. Mark this in. Okay, so quartile 1 is the midway point, the middle value of the lower set. Okay, so it's the half, it's middle. Okay, so we've got 5 values that will appear that'll be that, okay, because there are two values on either side, okay. So we know from here that quartile 1, or the lower quartile, is 218. So that should be marked up there, okay. Along this upper set, we have 5 values, okay. So we need to look for one which is in the middle of those 5 values. We disregard these ones, okay. 247, 248, 250, 265, and 267, okay. Our middle point is here, 250, and I will mark that in being quartile 3. 2 on either side of that. Disregarding this set, we're looking at above the median. That's why I showed you how to calculate the median, as this is very kind of helpful for this, okay. So it would be good to write down our values of quartile 1 and quartile 2. So I will write this down. So quartile 1 we've calculated is 218. Let's refer back. Yes, it is. Quartile 3, as you can see, as I've shown you, it's 250. So we have quartile 3 is shown to be 250. Okay. Now we're going to proceed with calculating the semi-interquartile range, as the question is asked for. So semi-interquartile range will refer back to, up there is quartile 3, the upper quartile, which Q3, minus Q1, which is the lower quartile. That's all divided by 2. Okay, so we'll look at quartile 3, we'll write down what quartile 3 was, and that was 250, and we'll take away quartile 1, that's 218, and we must divide that all by 2, okay. 250 take away 218 is 32. So we have 32 divided by 2. And hence we can work out that the full semi-interquartile range is 16. Note that the semi-interquartile range is a measure of spread. The lower the semi-interquartile range, the less spread out the values are. That's what the semi-interquartile range is. It's the same for the interquartile range. As I've mentioned, you do not divide by 2 for the interquartile range. We will look through everything we've done once more and see what I've done again. Okay. Number of calls we've received by police were recorded over 10 days, and the results are shown. Find the semi-interquartile range. This is just me showing you once more what I've done. Semi-interquartile range formula is there. You can't put that there or there, it won't matter. Okay. So we've got the quartile 2, which is the median. We work out that is 239.5. That's not essential, but I've put it in there just to show you how to calculate it. It's not necessarily always required to be written in your paper. Okay. So you write down the values of quartile 1, 218, and quartile 3, 250. We've calculated both of those, because we know that on either side there should be 2. When we look at quartile 1, we disregard those, and quartile 2, we disregard anything below the median. Hence we've calculated that. Semi-interquartile range, as we've had to show, we need to show this to get the second mark. We put 250, take away 218 in there, divide that by 2, and showing those working, we get an answer of 16. That's how you work out this question.